Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I'm wrapping up some of the projects that I had done in the garden. But before I go any further, make sure that you please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Thank you. And also hit the bell notification so you can know every time your boy drops a video. Long story short, guys, I finally got a chance to repot the loquat tree, and I'm excited at the turnout. Check out the video, comment down below if you've ever used this method of repotting before, and let me know what you think of it. I actually learned this method of repotting from Farmer Q. It was actually on a smaller scale, but I stepped the scale up a little bit, so shout outs to Farmer Q. All right, peace and blessings. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.